Eggs in
Purgatory.
I didn't know you were gonna say it with me. Sorry.
Okay. All right.
I didn't know you were saying it with me.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking show. Always here with my mother Franca, and today we are making a snack, a breakfast, a whenever you are hungry type of meal. Very simple, very easy. Today, what are we making, Ma?
Eggs in Purgatory.
And we'll show you just how to make it coming up next
on
Love What You Eat. So super simple as ingredients. What my mom did prior, you just saw her, is just put together a very simple sauce that is going to be the base to where the eggs will cook in. We have 4 eggs, as many as you want. Just make sure that you have the dish big enough to be able to nestle in and fit the amount of eggs that you want. And then we have pagnotta, Italian style bread, any bread that you want to have, but we're going to be grilling this a little bit because you want a nice little stable crunchy bite where the eggs and sauce will nestle on. And this is poor man's snack, but yet so delicious. We'll take you in on a closer look to show you just how simple it is to make.
Very simple to put together.
Okay. All right, here you go. This is very quick to do, so you gotta be on top of your, you basically don't leave this unattended because this cooks off fast. The eggs cook fairly fast. Lid half covered on or covered just to get the top a little bit cooked. And meanwhile, we chose to just griddle our bread just for a little bit of lines, but honestly, toasted, leave it untoasted, however you want to do it. We just like the texture of a nice crunch when you have it.
Yeah.
You break your bread apart and you could go ahead and dip and get that nice yolk, or you can lift it up like a crostini on top of a solid piece of bread as so, and enjoy. We are going to take a little bit of a bite, but it's as easy and simple and delicious as it sounds. It's a beautiful marinara sauce with a nice egg and a piece of crusty bread. How delicious.
Simple, quick, and easy.
So delicious. And we always have sauce ready at home, so. And then you get to do la scarpetta, which is, for those of you who don't know, it's any type of sauce left over in a dish. You just grab it with a nice piece of crusty bread.
Troppo buono. Really good.
Perfect.
This
Super
is a
yummy.
meal for any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch,
Yeah.
also for supper.
After
Very quick and
school,
easy. Oh yeah, as a
whip it
snack
up and
also.
come back after school.
Mm-hmm.
We added a little bit of peperoncino, which is chili flakes. We love it spicy. If you do so. If you don't, omit it. Add any spices you want, but honestly, this is super delicious. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. We're going to polish off the rest of this plate and wish you all a happy Sunday. Don't forget to tune in weekly for new content and check out our website at www.loveayui.net where you will be able to find all our recipes that are on our YouTube, visually uploaded on the website with photos, step-by-step instructions. Thank you all, and as always, continue to
Love it
to
to eat.
eat. Bye for now.
Ciao, arrivederci.
Buonissimo.
Favorito, really good. Huh?
Okay, that's a wrap.
Ciao, ciao.